best burgers in Valencia? We're gonna find out. So today we are at La Fabrica, which is a restaurant down here in the Cabanyal neighborhood. But one thing they did that's really cool is they invited a company called Big Johnson's. It's a brand new burger company here in Valencia. It's popped into a couple of different restaurants and even grilled out on the beach. Big Johnson's does not have a kitchen, but what they do have, what we hope they have, are mighty fine burgers. So we're gonna step inside, order some of their in-and-out burgers, and see if they compare to the real thing. Let's go. Who's ready?
Yeah. So we got the cheese and then the hamburger, right?
And what's your name?
It's Christian.
Christian. All right, cool.
And that's Big Johnson.
And you guys are from, where are you from?
Sean Johnson. I'm from originally South Africa, but grew up in the UK.
Oh,
but
okay.
have been to in and out a whole bunch of times for my other job, and yeah, fell in love with it.
It's too loud here. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna try this. This is a in-and-out burger, Valencia style. Okay, we have grilled onions, cheese, special sauce, homemade pickles, a burger, lettuce, tomato on a toasted bun. Oh wow, that looks good. One thing I miss about California and living in Los Angeles, of course, is in-and-out. Ooh, even look at this. It even has some crispy cheese on there. Let's go. That's fabulous. So, I could eat two. Good burgers?
Wonderful.
Round two. All right, guys, so that was a good burger, I gotta say. Definitely reminiscent of our lives in Los Angeles. One thing I will say when I talk to Christian is one of the owners of the Big Johnson burger, okay? He told me that this is their very first restaurant takeover. They plan on doing potentially more of those coming up, and potentially even doing some ghost restaurants as well and delivering throughout the city. So hopefully there will be more burgers coming your way real soon. Well, it is a beautiful day here for a burger, but also a beautiful day to go to the Marina.
Yeah, that place happened to be close to Cabanyal and close to Marina, so we're gonna take a walk and enjoy this beautiful weather. Let's burn up this burger.
For me, it was two burgers.
2 burgers and 2 beers.
Oh boy.
Let's walk it off. This is a perfect place to burn off the burger. And it's just gorgeous, beautiful day. The best part, it's still January. Can't complain.
When you're lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares, oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of.
It is nice weather, but definitely not warm enough for me to go into water.
From here, we can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own?
We had a very eventful day today, guys.
Very eventful.
I mean, burgers, beer, and now the beach. The 3 B's. The only 3 B's you need in life.
Beautiful life here. So until next time, guys, we're gonna be enjoying the sun a little bit. Adios.
Adios.